So our next character, it's a baby Viking. So it's a female. All right, a baby Viking. So what I want to do is to just flesh it out. Give it some hair. And some baby chick. All right. So what we're doing, we're just fleshing it out. And have a Viking hat. Yeah. So this is a rough sketch of what she like. So I want her to be holding a bottle, a baby bottle. And she could be sitting down. Wearing her baby bead. So this is what we're going to draw. So once I flesh it out, once I have the rough sketch, I can now, flesh it out to see what I want. But I'm going to make a shorter, like I'll compress the body and make the head bigger. The head is going to be like this, and the body will be small. All right, so there's going to be a baby. All right. So one challenging aspect is drawing her foot. So we'll try and see how we can do it. Alright, so it's not that bad. So while drawing, we're going to space it. Something like this. Like a cherry. You should drink in nectar.